Hello everyone. Today our topic name is today we are going to discuss about the modules of the HAP, that is module 1 and 2. In the module first, it cover all the introduction to the anatomy and the physiology, and module 2 consists of the cell and the cell organelles. We are going to discuss one by one. So first we are going to discuss about the module first, that is on the introduction to the anatomy and the physiology. The in that the first we are seeing the definition of the anatomy. The anatomy refers to the internal and the external structure of the body and their physical relationship, whereas a physiology refers to the study of the functions of those structures. So this is the main definition of the anatomy and the physiology. Second, we are going to see the scope of the anatomy and physiology. In that, there are mainly two types of the human anatomy, that are the cross anatomy and the microscopic anatomy. In the cross anatomy, it is the study of the body structure that are visible to the naked eye, and it is also known as a macroscopic anatomy. Second type is the microscopic anatomy. In that the it is the study of the structures and study of the structure on the cellular cell or level, which includes the cells, tissues and the organs of the body as seen with the microscope. Next we are seeing the physiology. Physiology is the normal study function within the living creatures, and it is a subsection of the biology, which covers a range of the topics that include the organs, anatomy, cells, biological components or compounds, and how they impact or interact to make a life possible. Next we are seeing the levels of the structural organization and the body system. Here this is about the small introduction to the anatomy and physiology. Next we are seeing the module second. It covers the cell and the cell organelles, and we are seeing all the information about the cells and their organelles. First, the cell. Cell is the basic structural, functional and the biological unit of the all the living organisms. And organelles means what? Organelles cells contains the various structural component that allows to maintain life, which are known as organelles. All the organelles are the suspected within the water-based gelatinous mixed type, the cytoplasm. In that we are seeing the cell wall, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, lysosomes, mitochondria, nucleus and the microfilaments and the microtubules. In the cell there are mainly two types of the cell, that is the prokaryotic cell and the eukaryotic cell. First we are seeing the prokaryotic cell. In the prokaryotic cells are much smaller than the eukaryotic cells and have no nucleus and the lack of the organelles which are present in the prokaryotic cells. Here the prokaryotic cells are the single called the microorganisms, known to be the earliest on the earth. A prokaryotic cell consists of a single membrane, and therefore all the reactions occur within the cytoplasm. Here the example of the prokaryotic cells is the Escherichia Golgi, Streptococcus, blue-green algae, bacteria and microplasma, etc. Next we are seeing the eukaryotic cells. These cells containing the membrane-bound organelles and are a basis of both the unicellular and the multicellular organelles or organisms. The eukaryotic cells are found in plants, animals, fungi and the protists. They generally have a nucleus and an organelle surrounded by a membrane called the nuclear envelope. where the DNA is stored. There are a few exceptions to the generalization, such as the human red blood cell, which don't have a nucleus when mature. Example is the protozoa, fungi, plants, and the animals. Next, we are seeing the cell organelles. In that, the first is a cell wall. It is a coating of the cell which involves the cytoplasm and all the other organelles within it. It is a double membrane which is composed of the protein and the lipids. Next is the endoplasmic reticulum. It is a large dynamic structure that serves the many roles in the cells, including the calcium storage, protein synthesis, and lipid metabolism. Next is the Golgi apparatus. It is known as a Golgi apparatus and is a cell organelles that helps in the process and the package protein and the lipid molecules. Next is the lysosomes. The lysosomes are the membrane enclosed organelles which contain any array of the enzymes which is capable of the breakdown of the all types of the biological polymers, which include the protein, nucleic acid, carbohydrates, and the lipids. And next one is the mitochondria. Mitochondria is a powerhouse of the cell, and in that it is help to generate the ATPs. And next is a nucleus. In the nucleus, it is a large double bound membrane organelles, and that sometimes referred to as a central unit of the cell because it contains the chromosomes. And last one is the microfilaments or the microtubules. Microtubules are the stiff and the resistant bending forces, and microfilaments are the flexible and the relatively strong. So here this is all about the module first and the module second we are discussing in this video. Thank you.